Replacing windows in your Washington, D.C. home is a significant investment that can enhance your property's energy efficiency, security, curb appeal, and overall comfort. However, the true value of your new windows can only be realized when they are professionally installed. While DIY window installation may seem like a way to save money, choosing a professional installer offers many advantages that ensure long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Here's why professional installation for replacement windows is crucial for homeowners in Washington, D.C., and how it contributes to the success of the window replacement project. Proper fit and performance. One of the most important reasons to hire a professional for window installation is to ensure that your new windows fit properly. A window that's not properly fitted can result in issues such as drafts, water leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. Even small gaps can cause air to escape or enter, making it harder to regulate indoor temperature and increasing your heating and cooling costs. Precision measurement. Professional window installers measure your window openings precisely to ensure a perfect fit for your replacement windows. An accurate installation prevents gaps and air leaks, which helps your windows perform at their best. Optimal sealing. Professional installers are trained to seal your windows properly using high-quality materials and techniques, ensuring they're watertight and energy efficient. With a properly installed window, you won't have to worry about poor insulation or drafts, allowing your windows to perform as intended and deliver long-term benefits. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the main reasons homeowners in Washington, D.C. opt for replacement windows. New, energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer and keep your home more comfortable year-round. However, the energy efficiency of your windows depends not just on the materials, but on how well they're installed. Sealing gaps and cracks. If windows are improperly installed, gaps and cracks around the frame will allow air leakage, reducing the effectiveness of your energy-efficient windows. Even a small gap can cause heat loss in the winter and heat wave in the summer, leading to higher energy bills. Optimal alignment. Professional window installers know how to install windows in alignment with the surrounding walls to minimize air leakage. They'll also ensure the windows are securely fastened, preventing drafts and boosting your home's insulation. With professional installation, you get the full benefits of your new, energy-efficient windows, saving you money on energy bills and improving your home's comfort. Enhanced security. Your windows are one of the most vulnerable points of entry for burglars, and poorly installed windows can compromise your home's security. Proper window installation ensures that your windows are securely fastened and difficult to tamper with. Strengthened security features. Professional installers ensure that locks, seals, and frames are all properly installed and aligned to maximize your window's security features. They will also advise you on the best high-security locks or impact-resistant glass options to further secure your windows. Correct installation of protective features. Properly installed windows, particularly those with multiple locking points, are much more difficult to break into than improperly installed ones, which may have weakened frames or poorly functioning locks. With professional installation, you can rest assured that your new windows provide both protection and peace of mind for your home and family. Long-term durability replacement windows are a long-term investment, and proper installation is key to ensuring their durability. Incorrectly installed windows can wear down quickly, causing issues like cracked frames, water damage, or difficulty opening and closing. Quality craftsmanship. Professional installers have the knowledge and skills to ensure your windows are installed with precision, using the correct materials and techniques. This results in long-lasting performance and fewer repairs down the road. Warranty protection. Many window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, but these warranties are often only valid if the windows are professionally installed. By opting for professional installation, you're ensuring that the warranty on your new windows remains intact. Proper installation helps extend the life of your windows, making them a more cost-effective investment in the long run. Time-saving and convenient. Window installation can be a complicated and time-consuming task, especially if you're doing it yourself. It requires the right tools, techniques, and expertise to get the job done correctly. Professional window installers handle all aspects of the installation, from removing the old windows to ensuring the new ones are fitted properly, saving you time and effort. Efficient process. Experienced installers can complete the job quickly and efficiently, often in just one day. This minimizes disruptions to your daily routine and ensures your windows are up and running as soon as possible. Expert troubleshooting. If unexpected issues arise during the installation process, professional installers have the experience and knowledge to troubleshoot and solve problems without compromising the quality of the installation. With professional installation, you can sit back and relax, knowing that the job will be done efficiently and correctly. Compliance with local building codes. In Washington, D.C., as in most cities, there are specific building codes that must be followed during window installation to ensure the safety and integrity of your home. Professional window installers are familiar with these codes and will ensure that your installation meets local requirements. Code-compliant installation. A professional installation ensures that your windows are installed to meet or exceed all necessary building codes, from structural requirements to safety features. This helps avoid potential issues during home inspections or when selling your property. By hiring a professional installer, you ensure that your windows are installed correctly and meet all local building standards, helping you avoid future headaches. Conclusion. Professional window installation is an essential part of ensuring that your replacement windows provide the best possible performance and longevity. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance security, or boost curb appeal, having your windows installed by experienced professionals ensures that you receive the full benefits of your new windows. From precise fitting and improved comfort to long-term durability and compliance with building codes, professional installation is the key to maximizing the value and effectiveness of your replacement windows. For homeowners in Washington, D.C., professional window installation is a smart investment that will provide peace of mind and long-lasting results.